And new tougher requirements for those receiving food assistance are approved by the state. But a group steps in to stop them.
Good afternoon. Some big changes coming for New Mexicans using food assistance programs. A new set of requirements are set to go into effect soon. But now a nonprofit law firm is suing the state's Health Services Department, saying they didn't follow the law. News 13's Cole Miller looked through the lawsuit and has a story live in the Newsplex. Cole?
Yeah, Kim, this lawsuit filed today says the Human Services Department tried to pull a fast one on New Mexicans. The suit believes the state kept these changes from them and cut them out of the loop.
They're certainly not lax. They're not required by federal law. New Mexico would be the state with the highest unemployment, highest poverty to be implementing these kind of changes. And the department didn't even follow proper law in changing the rules.
Attorneys with the New Mexico Center on Law and Poverty say these changes to programs like SNAP could affect up to 80,000 people. The lawsuit says those changes were done illegally. It also claims it kept low-income families from participating in the rulemaking process. Now, a spokesperson with the Human Services Department says the new changes, which were adopted at the first of this month, are not strict, and he calls the lawsuit baseless. The new requirements mean any able-bodied adult without children who's capable of work must be working, looking for work, doing community service, or job training to continue getting those food stamps. And those with children over the age of 6 must simply be looking for work. He says the changes get rid of requirements that were only temporary.
The 2009 waiver that this rule is removing was never meant to be permanent. And our goal is to help more New Mexicans become self-sufficient, earn job training skills, and find employment, quite frankly.
Now, attorneys with the Center on Law and Poverty are asking for a temporary restraining order on these changes. They're hoping that will keep them from going into effect while this all plays out in the courts. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Cole. Now, the Human Services Department says the first wave of changes are set to go into effect on November 1st.